What really separates a good website from a great one? Let's dive into the essential services.
So what's it going to take for your site to succeed in such a crowded online world? Well, it all starts with the foundation. And surprisingly, it's not code. It's the people behind it. We're talking about highly qualified developers. They're the architects of your entire online presence. This means they've got the experience, the reliability, and the efficiency to get the job done right. But a great site isn't something you just build and forget. It needs regular checkups to stay healthy. That means 2 core tasks: keeping your theme updated and managing your plugins. Super important stuff. It's just like updating your phone's software. These patches are crucial for security and new features. You know, a website that just sits there is going to fall behind. So how do you keep it growing? This is all about adding new functionality. It means evolving your site to hit your new goals. Think big here. It could be a new online store, an appointment scheduler, or a members-only portal. Okay, so sometimes your site needs to move, but there is a huge difference between just moving and renovating. Right, let's clear this up. What's the real difference between a site transfer and a site migration? A transfer is pretty simple. It's like moving your house to a new lot. Same house, new address. But a migration? That's a whole different beast. It's a major renovation, sometimes a total rebuild. And last but not least, speed. It's the one thing every single visitor notices, right?
Speed optimization is way more than a buzzword. It's all about making your pages load lightning fast.
And why does this matter so much? Because nobody waits online. A slow site literally costs you visitors.
And just look at the difference here. Proper optimization can absolutely crush those loading times.
So here's the bottom line. A great website needs expert hands guiding it every step of the way.
Which brings us back to you. What's the right next step for your website?